Imagine a world where computers can solve problems in seconds that would take today's supercomputers thousands of years. Sounds sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to the world of quantum AI, a groundbreaking fusion of quantum computing and artificial intelligence that's set to revolutionize everything from healthcare to finance. But what exactly is quantum AI, and why is it creating such a buzz in the tech community? Let's start with the basics. Quantum AI refers to the integration of quantum computing technologies with artificial intelligence. But what does that really mean? Well, traditional computers use bits, those tiny switches that can be either a 0 or a 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use quantum bits, or qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to the principles of quantum mechanics. This means they can process information at speeds that are simply unimaginable with today's technology. Just think of it like this. If a traditional computer is a bicycle, a quantum computer is a supersonic jet. And when you combine that jet with the power of AI, you get quantum AI, a technology that can tackle problems we once thought were unsolvable. Quantum AI leverages two key quantum phenomena: superposition and entanglement. Superposition allows qubits to be in multiple states at once, while entanglement links qubits in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This enables quantum computers to perform complex calculations at lightning speed. Now, you might be wondering, why is quantum computing such a big deal? Let's put it into perspective. Traditional computers are great at handling structured data and performing linear calculations. But when it comes to solving complex, multidimensional problems, like simulating molecular interactions for drug discovery or optimizing global supply chains, they hit a wall. Quantum computers, on the other hand, thrive in this space. They can explore multiple solutions simultaneously, making them incredibly powerful for tasks that require massive computational resources. Basically, they're not just thinking outside the box, they're thinking in multiple boxes at once, at the speed of light. And when you combine this with AI's ability to learn and adapt, you get a technology that's truly transformative. Let's get practical. What can quantum AI actually do? Well, the applications are as diverse as they are exciting. Let's explore how quantum AI is making strides in different sectors. Healthcare, revolutionizing drug discovery. In the healthcare sector, quantum AI holds the promise of transforming drug discovery and personalized medicine. By accurately simulating molecular interactions, researchers can identify potential drug candidates more efficiently, reducing the time and cost associated with bringing new medications to market. This advancement could lead to tailored treatments for individual patients based on their unique genetic makeup, enhancing efficacy and minimizing side effects. Finance, enhancing risk management. The financial industry stands to benefit immensely from quantum AI's data processing capabilities. By analyzing vast data sets at unprecedented speeds, quantum AI can provide deeper insights into market trends, optimize investment portfolios, and improve risk assessment models. This could lead to more robust financial strategies and a better understanding of economic dynamics. Cybersecurity, fortifying data protection. And let's not forget cybersecurity. As cyber threats evolve, the need for advanced security measures becomes paramount. Quantum AI can contribute to developing more secure encryption methods, making it significantly harder for malicious actors to breach systems. This enhancement in cybersecurity is crucial for protecting sensitive information in an increasingly digital world. Let's talk about the roadblocks. Because as promising as quantum AI sounds, there are a few serious hurdles to overcome. First, there's the issue of hardware stability. Quantum computers are incredibly sensitive to their environment, and even the slightest disturbance can cause issues with qubit stability and coherence, leading to errors in calculations. This makes them difficult to scale and operate reliably. Then there's the problem of error rates. Quantum computers are prone to errors due to decoherence, a phenomenon where qubits lose their quantum state. Researchers are working on robust error correction techniques, but this remains a significant challenge. Finally, there's the issue of scalability. Building a quantum computer with enough qubits to solve real-world problems is no small feat. And even if we can build such a machine, integrating quantum computing with existing AI algorithms requires the development of new frameworks and models, a task that is currently underway but presents its own set of challenges. So, while the potential of quantum AI is immense, there's still a lot of work to be done before it becomes a mainstream technology. Despite these challenges, the future of quantum AI looks incredibly promising. Researchers around the world are working tirelessly to overcome the technical hurdles, and we're already seeing some exciting breakthroughs. Companies like IBM, Google, and Pascal are leading the charge, developing quantum computers with more qubits and better error correction techniques. And as these technologies mature, we can expect to see more real-world applications of quantum AI. In the coming years, quantum AI could transform industries, solve some of the world's most pressing problems, and push the boundaries of what machines can do. From drug discovery and material science to optimizing large systems like traffic flows and financial models, the possibilities are endless. So, what's the bottom line? Quantum AI is not just the future of computing, it's the future of innovation. And while we're still in the early days, one thing is clear: the potential is limitless. Now, let's hear from some of the experts in the field. According to Bernard Marr, a renowned futurist and author, quantum AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and solve problems that are currently beyond our reach. Marr also highlights the importance of quantum supremacy, the point at which quantum computers can outperform classical computers. Google claimed to have achieved this milestone in 2019 with their Sycamore processor, which performed a calculation in 200 seconds that would have taken the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. Did you know that the concept of quantum computing was first proposed by physicist Richard Feynman in 1982? He suggested that quantum systems could be simulated more efficiently using quantum computers rather than classical ones. Quantum AI isn't just the future, it's the key to unlocking a world of possibilities. And as we saw, whether it's healthcare, finance, or cybersecurity, this technology is already starting to reshape industries.